Event object. In Angular, the event object is a reserved keyword used to handle events. It provides detailed information about the event when it is triggered. So let's see an example. I have defined an input key with a key press event and a function. And inside the TypeScript file, the function contains a message which is displayed when the key press event gets active. Let's go to the browser. Now here I have entered 5 letters. The key press event is getting fired 5 times. Now what if I also want to display the entire value? This is where the event object is used. The event object is passed as a parameter inside the function. So when the component or directive raises the event handler executes the template statement. That is the function. So let me give the $event as a parameter inside the function, and inside the home.ts file we have to declare the parameter name, let's say e of type any. This means that the method will accept any type of argument without any restriction. By restriction, I mean providing a specific type of argument. That is, instead of I say that this is a keyboard event or a mouse related event like button click, I might say mouse event. So to avoid this certain scenarios, we normally give the type as any. Now inside the console, I'll pass the E. Let me just save this, save the HTML file as well, and let's go to the browser. Let's type H. So as you can see, a keyboard event is generated, showing the key H is pressed. If we expand it, you can see it contains various information about the event raised. Like it shows the Alt key or the Control key is pressed or not. Shows the event bubbling status. Shows the character code for the key press. Displays the key value as well as shows if the shift key is pressed or not. The target element on which the event occurred as it occurred on the input. It is displaying input here. It also shows what type of event is triggered and prototype of the event, which initially is a keyboard event. So event object has lot of information. To get the specific value entered by the user, we have to give the following code. So inside the home.ts, we need to give e.target.value. Let me save this and let's go to the browser. Now if I type hello, now you can see it displaying the targeted value given inside the input field. But as we have given the key press event, the console is displaying the values after the key press gets fired. To fix this, we need to change the key press to key up. So here we need to change it to key up event. Now let's look at the output. So here if I type again hello, so now it is displaying the entire value. So the event object in Angular is a reserved keyword that is used to pass the event object from template to the component TypeScript file. So this is all about event object in Angular, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.